Welcome back to another episode. I haven't uploaded much content on this Audi S5 here because I've been falling in love with it and not fixing everything I want to fix on it. Little things like this display screen. So when I bought the car, this display screen was cracked. I actually ordered another one and it came in, it was the wrong one. And now it looks like I got a good used one. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. So in order to replace it, this carbon fiber trim right here just basically pulls off. So I'm gonna see if I can get this to pull off. You can use a interior trim tool, but it just basically pulls off. I don't want to pull it with one hand, so I'm gonna put the phone down and pull it off with two. See if I can get that like that. Okay, let me see. Goes. This is many clips. So you can see, pull off, and it's got a wire here for this harness here for the passenger airbag light and the hazards. So I'm gonna take that off. Just this clip here, and now that's off. All right, now. These, I believe, were T25s or T27s, so I'm going to go grab that real quick. All right, so these are four T20s. I'm going to go ahead and take these off. Now there'll be two harnesses in the back. I'll show you that here in a second. Go ahead and take these off. There's one. And four. All right. Got all four of those off. This thing just drops down and it's got two harnesses in the back. Really easy to do. So this one's a squeeze clip. You can see, let me see if you can see that. Two little clips on the side, and this has just got this big one here. Just pull this out. Let's see if I put the phone down and do this because I don't want to cause damage. Squeeze clip, one, and on this guy now. Okay. Okay, so you can see this one was cracked, so I'll take that one out. Got the two harnesses here, plug right into the back of this guy, same way. Part number, so here's the used one, here's the old one. The one I previously had gotten in the mail had an A on the end of that part number, 8R0919604 with an A. And just that A was a total different harness. I only had one harness instead of these two separate ones, and neither one of them matched. So I was able to find this used one. And I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. 4 screws in by hand. Alright, so I'm just going to tighten all these bolts up. Okay, they're all in. Plug this guy back in and put the phone down again so I don't cause any damage here. Just like that, push it in. Let me see if I can get this in better. There it is. All right, she's in. Let's go ahead and try it out by starting the car. All right, it's working. So now these things should work because I can see what the heck I'm doing, because none of these were working. So the little speed dial here turns everything over here. I'll return. Engine oil. Looks like I need a quart. I'm actually doing an oil change. I bought the oil and filter already. This is awesome. I'm happy. It's all working now. Oh yeah, I didn't check the backup camera, huh? So how do I... that's on the car info. Let's see about nav. Oh, nav's working. Let's see if we can fix this. Nice. I can change it right to Seekonk, where I live, in Seekonk, Massachusetts. Alright, everything's working. I'm going to play with it some more. Thanks for watching, guys.